Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're kind of doing something different today. I'm not in my shop, I'm in another shop, and so we're going to see if we can get another Model T started over here. So I'm going to introduce you to Dale, and this is his car, and I'll let him tell you all about it.
All right, well, yeah, I'm the proud owner of a 1918 Model T Touring. I picked up, it's been a few months ago now. It was kind of a barn, I won't say a barn find, but it was kind of in a barnish type of situation, and been there for a number of years. A number of people had looked at it and worked on it through the time, but had never got it running. So that's kind of where we're at today, trying to figure out how to get this thing fired up. So it's going to be quite an adventure for me. I've never ever worked on, rode in, drove, or anything on a Model T, so it's going to be quite a day, I think, today.
All right. Yeah, so he's got a replacement carburetor for it, so we're going to get that carburetor on, and we just know it's going to start real easy, right, Dale?
Yes.
Okay, so let's. I'll reset the camera up here around so we can see what's going on. Okay, I guess we're about ready to make this thing run, huh?
Let's give her a shot.
And turn on the gas so we get some goody stuff in the carburetor.
Let's hope.
We worked on the spark last time we were working on the car. Give her a little bit of throttle. Spark retard.
Got the battery connected. Okay.
You're going to want to get yourself a starter here one of these days.
Exactly. Well, I have thought ahead. I got me a hogshead over here that's got the starter piece on it. So.
Yeah.
All right, we're about ready to try this.
All right.
Okay.
Now we know everybody likes to watch an old guy crank on a car. So
yeah.
That's.
Alrighty.
That's the big treat today,
okay,
right?
well, I'm going to disconnect the battery for a second and give it a couple of primer things.
Give her a couple of shots.
Yeah.
That's probably good.
Okay.
Nice warm day. It doesn't take. In fact, mine will start without a choke on if it's 80 degrees.
Alrighty. Need the choke. The choke's there. Ready?
I don't hear anything buzzing.
I don't either.
Yeah, we're not getting a buzz.
We did last time.
Yeah, we did.
Huh. It's on here.
All you have on this key is the mag, right?
Try that. Try that and see.
See what happens. Yeah,
we got buzz.
She's buzzing.
All right, now we're ready.
We're ready. I think it tried.
Huh?
I think it tried.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Nice buzzing.
Good buzz. Now, they're always hard to start after they've been sitting a long time.
What's that?
They're always hard to start after they've been sitting a long time, and then once you get them running, then they seem like they like it. It's trying. It might be flooded.
Could be. Yeah, it's got, I think you see fuel here.
Yeah.
A little bit right there, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably just a little flooded.
Not pouring out of the back like the other one. Whew.
Yeah, he got it running, but he died of a heart attack.
That's what I feel right now, yeah. It's off.
Woo! All right, yeah! Success! Woo!
So Dale's going to start the Model T. We're going to go for a drive. Maybe.
Looks still in gear. Moving that way, or
I don't know.
you felt like it was.
I don't think you can climb the chalks no matter what it does.
Okay, good.
Oh yeah, getting there. Can hear the coils buzzing. Oh yeah.
Prime it again.
I think you got a little too much advance.
Think so. This one here, when I was looking at the rod, it
Yeah, there's a lot of play in it.
a lot of play, yeah.
Hey, almost fired.
Almost like it wants to fire by itself, huh?
Just push the advance down. Push the advance lever down. Yeah, there you go. Do it.